Namaste children. Are you all ready with your textbooks? Take lesson number 5, page number 71. See the wondrous woman. See, all of you underline the hard words. See carefully and underline all the hard words. See here, Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi also, classical dancer. See, underline all these hard words. Is it clear, children? Some of you are not underlining the hard words. Please underline the hard words. You're magnificent also. Is it clear, children? Now, coming to the textbook part, see here, page number 74. Under activity 2, see, once I'll read glossary here. Jubilant, showing great happiness. Logical, following the rules or facts. Commitment, dedication to a cause. Enthrall, take complete attention. Concerts, a public musical performances. Passion, strong feeling or desire. Enhance, increase. Magnificent, extremely impressive and deserving. Okay, so these are the meanings you have in page number 74. Now coming to our textbook part, see here, Roman number 2, write the correct answer. Sarojini Naidu is called dash. A, magnificent woman, human computer, and the Nightingale of India. So రీడింగ్ చేస్తే కనుక ఈ ఆన్సర్స్ అన్నీ కూడా ఈజీగా వచ్చేస్తాయమ్మా. ఇఫ్ యూ రీడ్ ద టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ యూ కెన్ డూ దిస్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ పార్ట్ ఈజీలీ. హియర్ ద నైటింగేల్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా. సో అండర్లైన్ హియర్, అండర్లైన్ లైక్ దిస్ అండ్ రైట్ దిస్ ఆన్సర్ హియర్ ఇన్ ద బ్లాంక్లో ఈ ఆన్సర్ రాయండి. ఓకే, నౌ కమింగ్ టు సెకండ్ వన్. Amina was touched by the dash. Dance, songs, role play. So these all you have to do as homework. Do it in textbook only. Okay, is it clear, all of you? Now third one, music dash human beings as well as animals. A, enthralls, B, invites, and C, enhances. Fourth one, practice makes a person dash. A, blunt, B, beautiful, C, perfect. Fifth one, Amina's parents assured her to send to dash every day. A, a factory, B, school, and C, a cinema. So you all have to you all have to do as homework. Okay, next coming to activity 3, vocabulary. See, fill in the missing letters. Filling the missing letters to form meaningful words. Write the words in the spaces provided. One has been done for you. First one, see actually these all you have to find out. First one is celebration, conversation, not able to be done, dedication, fruitful, numbers, traditional, fearless, display, manner, absolutely necessary. So first one is given, see here, occasion, celebration. అంటే దీని యొక్క మీనింగ్ ఇది. సో you have to fill these missing letters and you have to write the correct answer. Okay, so first one is occasion. Second one, dialogue, conversation. You have to write the answer here as dialogue. Rayali. Okay, So you all can do this, I think so. Next, second Roman in page number 75. See here. Now write sentences of your own using the given words. One has been done for you. Excited ante enti, thrilled kada. So with this word ante with excited you have to make own sentence frame cheyali. See, Raju was excited with the gift from his father. Like that. ఇలాగే ఇంకా కొన్ని వర్డ్స్ ఇచ్చారమ్మా పేజ్ నెంబర్ 76లో. ఫెయిత్, ట్రస్ట్, అకేషన్, అ పర్టికులర్ ఈవెంట్, ప్యాషన్, స్ట్రాంగ్ ఎమోషన్, ఎగ్జిబిట్, డిస్ప్లే, urge, a strong desire. So with these words you have to frame sentences. Is it clear, children? Here the space is provided for you, so you all have to write the own sentence here itself in the space provided. Okay, in the textbook only you all have to write. Okay, is it clear, all of you? So what you have to do, you have to write, you have to do page number 74 and 75 and also 76. So 74, 75, 76 as homework you all have to do. Okay children, thank you.